Martha and Peggy, hello ladies. See, they've cut the grass for you. About time. Are you standing right next to me today? Right next to me and Andy, because we've gone cold.
Feel something touching my head.
Ah, you moved away now. Come and say hello. If you're here, move it right up to red for us. Right up to the top. You know what all these are, don't you? You do it all the time.
First, you want to knock my cap off. You can
Yeah.
have a bit of fun.
Oh, freezing now.
The thing is, the sun's right on us.
Yeah, I know.
The sun is there.
It was just, it's going up to yellow.
If you want to tug at my clothes or knock my hat, undo a lace, nothing too severe.
Speak to me into this. We got a lot of static on the because I just use this for a voice recorder, Dolby On. It's a really good app, and because you can edit it all, and it just went and didn't work.
Oh, so I've got my digital recorder. It's only 8 meg, but you get like 10,000.
I've got one, but I never use it. I always use this.
They're paid about £8 on eBay, and they're selling for like 70, 80 quid.
You've totally stopped again. Now that's odd.
Right.
Oh.
Can you see if that's a scratch or nettle sting?
There.
Yeah.
Looks like a nettle to me.
Right.
Yeah.
I'm always walking into them, so I'm used to it, but just...
John, are you here? Sorry, Sir John, are you here? If you're around, nobody comes out to talk to us. I feel like I'm being watched. I really do.
I'm getting something from there.
Yeah. Oh, there we are. Look, if you're watching us or near us, can you make that go up to red just to let us know that you're here? I think you are, aren't you? The red.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Oh. Thank you. Thank you. It's really going for it. I don't think I've ever been up here and not had any activity. Yeah. But then sometimes you get, it all kicks off and everything goes, and then another time you're just a little bit like this. But I know there's a bit of a breeze, but it's not that cold.
Warm. That breeze is warm.
Yeah.
I was just about to say.
I'm
cold, but that breeze is warm. It's like when you just get out of the shower or something.
Yeah.
It's that. Shall I try and talk to her?
Yeah, you have a go.
Hi Peggy. Hi Martha. Tim's just introduced me to yourselves. He's explained that you're mother and daughter. Martha, you was born... Oh my God! Exactly 100 years to the day. 27th of January. It's my birthday.
Oh. Wow. Oh, look, it's going right up. That's not you, is it? No.
I'm not close enough.
Wow.
100 years.
Does that amuse you, Martha?
Oh my God. How have I never noticed that? So, hello. 100-year-old twin. I was 6 when you passed. That's mad.
I know. You saw some life changes and some technical advancement in your lifetime. Not quite the computers, but
Not far off.
You're really making these go up for us. I've seen some great you know, the SLS camera.
Yeah.
Around this area. That one chap, because there's loads on YouTube, isn't there?
Yeah.
There was a figure there standing that side and a figure standing this side.
Really?
Next to them, yeah.
Yeah, so Tim introduced me to you. Didn't realise that you was active around here. It's nice to know. So hopefully, when I come again, if you don't mind, I can come over and talk to you. Have a bit of a chat. So I pretty much do the same as what Tim does, just records data.
Mm. Look at that going.
I know. What, 5 foot away? Easily, at least. So it's definitely not this. You've got to be right on top of it for it to do that.
Yeah, you have. Oh.
Are you able to make the other device go off?
Yes.
The one that's just at the back of Martha. It's on the little ledge. It's that black box with an aerial metal pole coming out the top of it.
If you just touch that or go near it, then we'll definitely know you're here.
Makes a loud bleeping noise.
Cool, look at that.
No.
You like that?
Could you move something, if you don't mind?
Yeah, well,
Without being disrespectful, I know you're not performers in the circus
no.
or anything like that.
I bet everyone asks you the same questions, don't
you
they?
get sick of it, don't you? But can you just do something?
We know you're an adult. We're not trying to intimidate you in any way, no.
Just do something different. Something that nobody's asked you to do before. Something that you'd enjoy doing.
Can you speak into this for me? I told you, didn't I? When I stood here last time, it was 30 degrees. It was a bit earlier than this. The sun was up there, and I was freezing cold in this area, and it is colder here than.
Did that just move?
That's turned.
I just seen that out the corner.
That's turned.
That was like. Oh my god! I just seen it move.
I wonder if you got it on camera.
Did anyone else see the REM pod? It's moved about 20 degrees.
Yeah.
It was flush with the edge of the...
Yeah, that's my OCD. I always put things...
Yeah, I'm the same.
Why didn't it go off?
I just seen it move back. I thought it was a bird or something flown in front of it.
Yeah.
Right, can you... If we turn away and I keep the camera pointing at it, could you please either turn it back or turn it another 20 degrees or so?
Or knock it over.
Please don't.
Oh, look.
That's little red.
So does that mean you can do that then for us?
We would be so grateful and so happy if you could. I also thought the bird had landed and took off. As I turned it just...
I didn't see it move, but I know it's moved. Because it was straight, wasn't it?
Yeah. I'd have noticed that because it's doing the head in now that it's not straight.
Peggy, Martha. Oh.
No. That's moved more.
Has it? Go on, Martha.
Look. That's moving backwards. Oh my god.
Is it?
Look how far from the edge it is. Sorry, I don't want to disturb.
Has it gone back that way?
Look back. That was closer to the edge.
Look at it.
I feel like I'm tripping out.
Look. Martha, knock it over. Push it over. It's so exciting.
Tim's loaded, he can buy a new one. it was moving like, you know, like when something's on ice and it just glides really slow.
Oh, you'll have to zoom in on your camera later and have a good look. As long as you don't do what my...
Can you not see it moving very, very slow? Is that...
No, I don't know. I know it's gone sideways, but I can't say as I can actually...
flat, and it moved about 20 degrees, and it's moved at least another 10.
Look at that K2, it's maxing out. Say there's no electricity up here to set it off. Nothing.
Right, my camera's moving, and I'm not pressing any buttons. I have to either use the thumbstick at the front, or there's a trigger at the back that you press and hold to lock it.
Don't like ladies around here, do you, John? Can you make... You know what it is. Can you make that go up to it? Up if you're here to the red. Nothing now. We'll go near this other device on the floor. We've made that go off before. See, I was getting the feeling someone's looking over there.
Yeah.
It's not so cold down here, is it? No.
Someone said there's a nickname said there's a pub that went in front of the stone. There's all of them sugar stealers and that, isn't there?
Yeah.
But it could have been there.
So John, can I have a whistle? No, won't say hello to you today, do you? Let me show you that where the kids are meant to be. Yeah.
You seen that safe that's down here?
Sorry?
Old safe. Have you seen it?
The what?
Safe.
Oh.
There's a big metal safe that's been dumped.
Oh, I never noticed that.
Yeah. Where is this?
Oh.
So, I'll tell you where we stood. So, we roughly stood here, and then it just come across there. Ellie was either there or there.
Oh.
So it can't have been either of us.
No.
Too far away.
Might have been Ulster John then.
It just went.
Definitely feel something around here.
On this path, Becky stood up at that window. We couldn't hear or see each other.
Oh.
And from there to there, 15 foot, 18 max. And it's Saturday afternoon. Not that much traffic. She was screaming. She doesn't need to shout. You heard.
You realise she's going to hear what you just said?
Yeah, she'll be the first one.
Sometimes it's believed that these are all Kimballs. All these belong to the Kimball family.
Oh, right.
And you've got two children there at the bottom, look, 6.5 and 4.
See, whenever I've been over, it's been overgrown. So I've not really been able to see anything.
And their spirits have been said to be around this area. the children's spirits.
Yeah.
Still recording. Francis, William, you here today? Oh, we're going up again. Francis, can you knock this box over? Go near this box. I'll be interested to see if when you zoom in on that later.
Yeah. This is where the rabbit was.
Was it?
Just at the edge of the graves there. He's in my right, he kept stopping and looking over his shoulder for me to follow him.
Oh. No. Right, Emily, you have been known to speak into this as well in my hand, haven't you? If you could come and do that.
There's nobody else here, by the way, just us two.
Just us two. John, are you around stopping to coming to have a chat with us? John doesn't like children or
No.
women. No, she's going. Do you want to move on or?
It's up to you.